Are we keeping this dishwasher? Absolutely not.
They don't get dishwashers?
No.
No, because you gotta fix the dishwasher.
No garbage disposal.
Really?
No dishwasher.
You gotta fix everything. Who
Okay.
cares if they stick a spoon down your disposal? Your disposal, not theirs, yours.
What do kids do with garbage disposal?
They throw shit in there and see if it breaks.
What could they also do?
Ruin their hands.
If you don't have one, they just pull their food out and put it in the garbage can.
No dishwashers, no garbage disposal ever in your rentals?
100%.